channel, Pretty Edgy. I am Graylisha, and I'm going to be bringing you another black-owned business today. So let's jump right into it. I am going to be unboxing today. I did place an order from Tall Goat Clothing. I am wearing a shirt. Tall Goat Clothing. I did get this shirt a little over a year ago. The owner of this brand, his name is Kid. I grew up with Kid. We're from the same city, same town, went to school together. To Salem, North Carolina, as known as Trade Foe. If you know, you know. I definitely had to support him, being that he is a black-owned brand, a black entrepreneur, and we're from the same city. So I definitely had to support him and order some stuff from him. Let's jump right into it. I have everything that I did order right here. So we're going to go ahead and pop this package open and check out what we got. I did place this order a while ago, so my bad, Kid. I'm just now getting to it, but you know, we here now. I don't even know what I ordered. I think I did order a couple pieces, so let's see what we got. Alright, here is a little jogging boot. Yes, these are nice. It has the little goat right there. I love that. I love that. And they feel so good. It has the goat on the butt. Yes. Yes, I love these. I love these. Pretty sure it's a top to go with this. Oh, it's a hoodie. Okay, yeah. So it's a hoodie. Like I said, y'all, I ordered this a while ago. I don't even remember what I got. So yeah, it has the goat print and the goat name right there. It's a hoodie. Yes, this is very, very cute. I love the little detail. I love that it has like the goat emblem and the goat name. And it has the pockets. It's like a crop hoodie, I think. I don't know. But we are going to try all this on, so that you guys can really get the feel of what it looks like on. So yeah, that's a little set, a little cute set, honestly. So yeah, we got the goat, cute. And I really like this brand because it's really like streetwear, like casual streetwear. You can wear it pretty much anywhere, you know, chilling, lounging, going to the grocery store. Let's see what else we got. Alright, we got another hoodie. Let's see, a blue, light blue hoodie. Again, it has the goat name here, and then on the other side it has the goat emblem. That is cute. I like this, and it feels good. Alright, this is an extra small. And yeah, let's check this out. Oh, on the sleeve it has Tall Goat Clothing. So yeah, that's cute. This is an extra small. Looks a little big though. Also, it does have a pocket. Love pockets. Anything with pockets, it is a win for me. Wait to see what that looks like on. It feels very, very soft and comfortable. Alright, so let's see what else we have. Alright, this is like a cropped long sleeve shirt. Again, it has the goat emblem on there. I think the emblem is really cute. It has Tall Goat Clothing on the arm again, just like the blue hoodie. And this is a red crop. The red is really bright, so I'm definitely feeling that. I'm definitely feeling that red. Because it's really bright. It's not dull. It's really vibrant. And that's cute. That's cute. And I think it has some bottoms as well. Oh, okay. y'all, these are really cute. Alright, so it has, are these real pockets? These are real pockets. Like, come on now, kid. You ain't even coming to play. So it has, these are like, they kind of remind me of leggings. Between a mix of leggings and joggers. So it has pockets on both of the thighs. And the pockets both have the goat emblem. So that's one side and that's another side. I think that's really, really dope. Like, I really love that these are real pockets. Like, yes. Real pockets, and they both have the goat emblem on it. That's cute. And then on the back, it has goat on the booty. So y'all already know I am feeling these. So I'm going to show them, and they will be like right beside the screen, just like how my last video is. If y'all didn't check out my last video, make sure you guys definitely check that out too. But yes, this is Tall Goat clothing. I love it. I love everything I got. Everything feels so comfortable. Tall Goat clothing has everything from hoodies to shirts to jogging suits. He even has coats. He even has kids clothing too. So y'all definitely go check that out. I will put all his information in the description below. So y'all definitely go check out Tall Goat clothing with my boy Kid. And order some stuff from him. This is support, and because the stuff is dope. The stuff is dope. It's comfortable. We love it. It's streetwear. It's loungewear. You can wear it on an everyday basis. I mean, anywhere you go, you can pretty much wear it. So yeah, y'all check him out. And yeah, oh, before I go, I do want to shout out Jazzy Girl Hair. This is what I have in right now. Yes, this is my second time ordering from Jazzy Girl Hair. I love the hair. As you can see, it definitely looks good. I have about 3 bundles in and a closure. It is a sew-in. Had it in for a while, and as you can see, it's still holding up. Still looks good. Still curls good. So y'all definitely check out Jazzy Girl Hair. I will link her Instagram and website in the bio. So y'all definitely check her out. Love this hair. Love Jazz. I actually grew up with Jazz too. Went to school. Yeah, like this is a trade for haul. I definitely can't wait to bring y'all some more brands from my hometown, because we're dope. They're all dope. Y'all already know Harley home, but always repping. So yeah, I hope y'all like this video. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let me know what you guys like in the comments. Let me know of your favorite black-owned brands. I'm going to be bringing you guys more and more. So definitely stay tuned for that. Alright y'all, that's the end of this video. I will be back very, very soon. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all next time.